have been walking from the break of day, waking up with empty hopes in my life always, searching for the place I can be, a dignified man and not one from overseas. I have been walking from the break of day, trying to find what defined a family, that I can lay my soul. The one I had has neglected me, and has casted me into the world of nothing less like a child without a soul. I have been walking from the break of day. As a young aged man, I seek many a medium exchange. But where can I get it? As if it's in bondage. Or can I get it overseas or in the ancient Carthage? I have been walking from the break of day, hoping that one day I will end my walking. But I look up and see the sun and moon daily walking. When will all things come to a stop? But how can it be unless I get hold of the clock?